How you doing? Just checking it out.
Hell yeah. I mean, probably for sure, yeah.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing? Just checking it out.
Hell yeah. I mean, probably for sure, yeah. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, give me about 10 seconds. 15 seconds over here. All right. Yeah, I'll hear it.
Do me a favor, can you come around and shut that door?
Yeah. Shut it. So what all is in here for the video, if you could tell me real quick?
So it's all DS18. There's 3 18-inch Troublemakers, 8 10-inch mids, 3 8-inch mids in the grill, 4 horns, 8 tweeters, 12.5K for the subs.
3 of them.
One 12.5K.
Okay. I was about to say, that's efficient, dude.
Yeah.
Boy.
2 Ks and a 3.5K for the hogs. All DS18.
Heck yeah, DS18. All right. Thank you, man.
And it doesn't run. It runs on battery all day.
Have you metered it yet?
56, 57, 58.
On 1 amp though. Woo, it feels louder.
Actually taking it easy because we're waiting for World Finals next month.
Oh, I understand. Okay. Sit right here, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
All right. This thing looks scary painful, dude.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Pretty crazy. So what? That's not me, that's over there. I'm just recording. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.